In this video, we are discussing file handling in Java. In this program, we are going to discuss file handling. We shall create one file input stream class object, that is a file in, and another file output stream class object, that is a file out. Now within the try block, we are going to instantiate this file in and file out objects. So file in is equal to new file input stream. So that is a constructor we are calling of the class. Within the double quotes, we are mentioning the respective file name. Here we haven't mentioned any kind of path, so the file will get created or will be accessed from the current default path. From the current default path, the file will be accessed, and from this particular file we'll be reading some data. So that's why we have just passed this particular file name to instantiate one file input stream class object file in. Similarly, for file out is equal to new file output stream sample copy.txt. So this is the file name we are passing as input argument to the constructor file output string, and it is returning the respective references and instantiating this file in and file out class objects of file input stream and file output stream classes respectively. int c, while c is equal to file in dot read. So we are calling one method, that is a read. That means we are going to read character by character from the file, and this file name is sample.txt. And whenever the file will get exhausted, then this file in dot read method will be returning -1. So until it is returning -1, that means we have read some valid character, and the character will be written onto the file out.write. So file out is the respective file output stream class object. Here we have defined already. .write is the method we are calling, passing this card as input argument. So this is the card, we are passing this one as input argument. So we are writing character by character, reading it from the input file stream to the output file stream. So after completion, we shall go for system.out.println writing of sample copy.txt is complete. So here this try block has been followed by the catch block, that is a file not found exception E, and the respective catch block is having only one statement, that is the invalid file name is going to get printed. Finally block, you know that finally block will get executed irrespective of the fact whether the file whether any exception has occurred within the try block or not. So that's why in the final block we have written, if file in is not equal to null, then file in dot close. Similarly for file out dot close. So this is a respective function body here, there is a main function body here. So let me go for the execution. Before going for the execution, I want to show you that this is a respective package you are having. There is a package file handling. So this is a respective package. Under it we're having the Java code, that is a file handling.java. So this is a respective Java code, that is a file handling.java. So now this is a sample.txt which is existing in the current folder. So if you double click, this is the file content. Sample.txt is having this 4 lines we are having. This is sample file. Java program will read from the sample file hello and world. So this is the content of the sample.txt, and now we are going for the creation of the sample copy.txt here. Now let us go for the execution. If I execute this program, we are expecting that along with sample.txt, another new file sample copy.txt is going to get created here. So I'm just executing the same. Writing of sample copy.txt is complete. That means this line has got printed from this statement. So let me refresh here. If I go for refresh, execute my code. I'm just executing once. So now let me go for the refresh. Yes, the sample copy.txt has got created. So this is a sample.txt, this is a content, and this is a sample copy.txt. You see the same content we are having, because we didn't do any kind of change. We just read character by character from sample.txt, and we wrote those characters character by character on the sample copy.txt file. So in this way, in this particular demonstration, we have shown you that how to do the file handling in our Java.